Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I built this nice leaning bathroom shelf. I started off by cutting both ends of the legs to a 10 degrees angle. Then with my speed square I marked a 90 degrees angle on the top of the legs and cut them off. This side will lean on the wall and hold the shelf sturdy without drilling any holes into the wall. As a next step, I cut out the 3 shelves. These are 18mm plywood boards. When I was done with them, I moved on to the walls of the shelves. I made these 4 cm tall, also out of plywood. I sanded them with 80, 180 and lastly 300 grit sandpaper, and I applied a layer of light oak wood stain which will nicely match the color of the edge banding. Then I applied the edge bending. Luckily I was able to find an 18mm wide ones in a local store, so I didn't have to worry about cutting it on size. This could be easily done with a cutter if you can find the same size. When the glue dried, I put together the shelves using wood glue and brad nails. I glued the sides first and lastly the back of the shelves. I used my clamps to hold the pieces together while I secured them with nails. I've done all 3 shelves in the same way and I applied 2 coats of poly to protect the wood. Then I brought everything to the bathroom. This was a little bit tricky doing by myself, but with the help of my longer clamp, I was able to hold the shelves between the legs while I drilled the holes and put the screws in. I also made sure that the shelves are level and the screws are flush with the surface of the wood using my countersink drill bit. I drilled pilot holes to prevent the wood from splitting. Because of the small space available, I used the other wall as well to build the unit, but I made sure that both walls are plumb. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this short video. This was a very fun and easy project and made such a big difference in the bathroom. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and share it to help the channel grow. We upload new content every week. Hit the bell notification so you will get notified when we upload the next one. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.